Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you guys are here. Today I'm going to try to increase the detent in my F5.5. Right now it has very little detent. No detent. I got one of the ones. It was a bad one. I've had it for a while. I still carry it. Before I get started, I want to say thank you to any of you guys, gals who come in here and watch my knife and EDC content. I appreciate you. If you haven't had a chance and you'd help me out even more, if you'd hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, I would really help. It would really help me out. And I'll continue to be notifying you when new content goes up, when I make community posts. There's some advantages to being subscribed, and it helps me get seen by more people. But most importantly, I want to thank all the channel members who continue to support me or support me when they can. I appreciate you guys more than you know. It means everything to me. So this is going to be a T8 breakdown. I've got my finger bit. I'm using my Get Good screwdriver. I have got my finger bit in case I need to get that pivot. And we will just see if we can get it apart, if we can make the, see, I think it's got a titanium lock bar, which is going to make it problematic because of the memory. And I think I've tried to adjust it before, but I'm going to try harder this time. Let's see if I can get the pivot without it walking on me. All right. I think I've got the wrong side. It always happens this way. I have pulled the pivot out, which is fine, but that's not what I was planning on doing. So what I will do instead is put it back together from this side. Let's see, I think it's a round pivot. So we will take our stop pin and we'll get our little lock bar here and see if I cannot add a little tension to that. Let's do this while we got it apart. It's already got its skiffs, but we might as well give ourselves a little bit of cleaning while we got her apart. All right. Like I say, guys, I don't know if this is going to give me any extra tension, but we will see. All right. So the first thing I want to do is get my KPL original. I'm going to pivot in there. My stop pin. Level those pivots. All right, now let's a little drop of lube. KPL heavy. I'm going to put a little blob. My detent ball. A little on this detent track here. I'm going to pop this in like so. Pop a little KPL original on this bearing. Rub that in. All right, now see if I can pop this together like so. All right, so we're going at it kind of backwards, but that is okay with me. So let's lock this guy down. Let's put our body screws back in. I probably should have left that pivot a little looser before body screw up. Let's see. Get this one. Well, guys, it doesn't shake out as hard. I think that actually helped. And it gives me encouragement that if I leave that little stick, my little plastic pry bar daily in there, that I can very well possibly get it even tighter. Perfectly centered. It's got a little snap, guys. Let's see if I can fail it. Guys, it was failing like crazy earlier. So it's an improvement. I wouldn't say it's tight and as snappy as some of the other F5.5s, but it's definitely much better. And I think I might even try to tweak it a little more, but I might leave it alone. Guys, just a little afternoon maintenance, a little lock bar, or lock bar adjustment, or liner adjustment. And it's easier when it's a steel liner. I seem to can get it a little bit quicker. Titanium, a little bit more tricky, but it works. So just, you can always bend it more. You can't bend it back. So start slow, work with it, and see what happens. Thanks Get Good Screw. Love the driver. Thanks Skiff Bearings partnership. This is my finger bit, where if I needed to hold that pivot loose, if I'd known I was pulling the wrong side out, I would hold that in like so. Pop, pop, pop. Great little tool. But guys, I love each and every one of you. I appreciate you for watching my knife, my EDC content. All I ask is if you would please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for one another, go forward with love in your hearts, and always choose debate, not hate. I love you. Peace.